All right, y'all, what's up? So, y'all know I got bad credit. I got too many credit cards, and my credit score is in the 500s. Um, so, you know that I'm working on that. So, here's my this every month, right? So, I do this on Google Sheets. So, this is my budget spreadsheet 2024. I probably need to change that to 2025. Let's do that while I got you on 2025. All right, so this is up here is all my income. And down here, see that down there? These are all my credit cards, right? So these are all of my balances. So right now, I got $16,000 in credit card debt, 16,000, 15,900 credit line, and available credit 1,600. Now, the reason my credit line is less than my balance is because I've closed some of those accounts. So what I'm getting ready to do now is pay off this right here. This is for Tiva. The balance is $300.98 or 301. So this account is closed. I closed it. All right. Available credit zero. My credit line was what, 1679. I got 300 balance. So I'm gonna pay this off now. So we're gonna come here. Let's do that account. Payment date. And let's put the amount here. 300.98. You see it? So we're gonna pay off this account. Make payment. 398. You agreed to pay. Yes. Your payment request has been processed. It takes up. Okay. All right, y'all. So we got that motherfucker paid off. Got it paid off. Now, let's go on my joint. So look, here's where that account is right here. So we highlight that, right? And we could delete that. Let's delete that joint. Watch out, delete that joint. Delete row. Delete row. Gone. Gone. Now my numbers got better. My numbers came down. Listen, man. We going one at a time, man. We going one at a time, man. It feels good. You see me smiling. I don't really too much care about credit and money and all of that stuff because I'm already that nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm already fly. I've been fly. I'm fly if my credit is good or if my credit is bad. I'm fly if I ain't got no money or I got a pocket full of money. You know what I'm saying? My self-esteem and my self-perception ain't dependent upon my money. You understand? But, it just feels good to get rid of some credit card debt. I'm paying these credit cards the minimum payments and the balance don't never go down because the minimum payment I pay is damn near equivalent to the interest and finance charges for the prior month. So you kind of like, just paddling, treading water, you know what I'm saying? Doggy paddling. So we got that one done. And we're going to do them one at a time. I ain't in no rush. You know what I'm saying? We're going to do them one at a time. And if the credit score goes up, it goes up. If it don't, it don't. I'm going to live. I'm not going to die. I'm going to have food to eat. I got somewhere to sleep, warm, clean sheets, clean blankets. Sean got clean drawers, clean socks. We got clean clothes. We got somewhere to live. The rent is paid. The heat is paid. We got water. We got bread. We got eggs. We got everything everybody else got. Car insurance is paid. I ain't got no car note. So I'm going to be fine. But I just wanted to document this because I've been, documenting that with y'all about my credit. And, that I've done this before. I've had real bad credit before. became a millionaire, had American Express, Capital One, all the top credit cards, 700 score, crazy amount of money, crazy cash, lost it all, went broke, filed bankruptcy, uh, got discharged from bankruptcy, and I'm fighting my way back one at a time. And it's okay. Peace.